Welcome to Rhinofeed. Today I'm going to announce the winners of the Creeper Keycap giveaway. So you'll see it is Sunday, September 7th in the evening here, so I don't expect many more comments to be coming in. And I have this list right here in my Sublime text document of 134 entries. I've taken out all the duplicates, but I didn't remove you completely, so don't worry. You just only have one chance to win. That's all. So here we go. I'm going to select them all, edit, permute lines, shuffle, and then I'm going to grab this shuffled list and move it on over to random.org. That way it's just doubly random, I guess. Sweet. So the first winner is Kamanishi. Paste them over here. And do this shuffle thing again. Oops. Yep. Get this over here, randomize. And the second winner is Simo5858. Sweet. Congratulations, folks. I will send you a message on YouTube, and if you, let's say, I'll give you 3 days to respond, and any more than that, and I will go ahead and select another winner. That way I can send it out to the post office this week. That'd be kind of nice. Alrighty. And it doesn't matter, again, like I said, where you live, even if it's worldwide, that's cool. Shall we look at their original comments, just for fun? Just for fun. I was playing Minecraft since 2010, and I were a big fan of the game. The keycap looks very neat, and it would fit on my new keyboard. Well, there are a few grammar issues in there, folks, but still, he's still the winner. I won't hold it against him. And Simo says, great review of a solid board. Sweet deal. Alrighty, folks. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. And as always, please rate, comment, and subscribe.